how we doing this lovely afternoon, Pyros? Just wanted to run through the stash real quick. I got a couple more pickups. Same old stuff, you know, but I love these pieces. I got them mixed up in here as well. I'll get a couple more, but I wanted to talk about these slaps. You know, work pays off. You know, this isn't another free run. I do appreciate it. I don't expect that all the time, so my people keep me straight, man. Y'all are good. But work pays off when you love it, really. It doesn't feel like work, does it? So it still feels like freebies, bro. But I got the boys painted up. The crew logo coming soon. Just plain. I'll get you suited up too. More of these rockets. You already know what's going down with these guys. But I also got, let's see, these Warrior shells here. 3 and 3, 4-inch, but slappers, bangers. Beautiful. Old school hardcore pyro. I don't know how old school, because Inspector Pdubz. Always checking the tubes for little Easter eggs like that. Got some more subs in here, but you know, just some shit to shoot around at the park. Gonna do another build, and then I got some stuff to save. The Big Daddy Krypton cake. Baker, you're a fucking G, bro. You know I love those color cakes right there, bro. Yeah, you know, stop wasting time. I'll slap something in the end there. I'm just very thankful, man. Y'all take care of me, and I really appreciate you. Take it easy. Here goes SSM. I got a long fuse on it. I'm gonna get back nice and far. Another perfect weapon.
Yeah, it starts out slow and then kind of.
Uh-oh. I got ganja 2022 and a custom shell if it'll light. It wasn't going. No, I just couldn't touch the fuse. Number 15. No, that's serious. Kind of grab you by the boo-boo.